In this video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Medicare online in Australia. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly apply for Medicare online in Australia. The best way to do this is going to be through the Australian government website. So you can go over to my.gov.au and in here browse through all of the services available. So you will find plenty of options with one of the categories being health and disability. So choose this option. You will be redirected, and now you can go over to seeking medical help. Once you go through this page, you will be able to find plenty of options related to medical help, and one of these is going to be for Medicare. So you will be able to choose between all of these and browse through the options. For Medicare, you can either find it here. So under help paying for healthcare, you will be able to find it. And then once you go to the Medicare page, you will get all the information that you need to apply. So in here, you will be able to choose enrolling in Medicare. Now, select how to enroll in Medicare, and if needed, browse through the eligibility requirements. So make sure that you meet these requirements here so you can enroll. And now you will find the two main ways to enroll. You can either do it online, which is very convenient, through MyGov. So click on this option here. You will be redirected, and then you will be able to sign into MyGov to get this process done. Or alternatively, you will be able to complete a Medicare enrollment form. So if you don't want to do it online, you will be able to click this option here and fill out this form. As you can see, it is quite extensive and it contains a lot of personal information, so I won't be able to show it in full on screen. But as long as you fill out all of this form, you will be able to return this form to the necessary email or address listed here, and they will be able to assess your application. Alternatively, if you did it online, you will be able to apply through MyGov. So all that you have to do is create an account and sign in. You will be able to keep track of your progress, and just like this form here, you will have to answer a lot of personal information. So keep all of that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to apply Medicare online in Australia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.